Okay, we're about to do a mix, you guys. Um, this is Easter Sunday, Resurrection Day. I hope you guys are blessed and when you're with your families and all is well. So we just about to do some mixing. I'm gonna start off with this glitter ultra fine, and I'm just gonna dump some in. Okay. Not measuring nothing because I like to see how it looks when I'm finished. I'm using this pink ultra fine glitter. I'm using this blue ultra fine glitter. Using some red. I like my glitters to be a surprise when I finish to see how it look. I am going to use this tinsel blend. It's called Midnight Gem. Shake some of that in there. Alrighty. I'm going to shake up some Pink Party. This one is a party blend. Shake some of that in there. It's like a pink color. Alright. We're going to put some of that Snowy Surprise in there. What's the name of it? Snowy Surprise. Okay. And like I said, not measure nothing, y'all. Just go on with it. We're going to see how it looks when we finish. So I am going to go in. I'm going to put some of this glitter bulbs in here. It's different colors. It's like chunky. Put some of that one in there. We're going to put some bright halo hearts in there. And pink holographic. We're going to put some bright pink hollow blend glitter. It's like a fine glitter. It's hollow. Okay. Alright, we're going to put some hollow orange blend in there. Okay, put a little bit of that hollow orange. This is so pretty. See that? I like that color. I'm going to put some of these in there. There are some holographic little swirls. And I love my mixes. I love them to be very chunky. Because to me, like you can see my nails, you can see it better like when it's chunky and it have stuff in it. So I'm doing this one, and I'm going to name this myself. I'm going to name it myself because I'm going to share with one of my sisters here. She know who she is. I'm supposed to send her something. So I'm making this glitter to share with her. Okay. I'm going to put some silver halo stars in there. Okay. Alright, you guys. I'm going to put some fire red halo bowls in there. Also, I am going to put some I'm looking for put some of these black hollow stars in there. That's what I was looking for. Black hollow stars, y'all excuse that. Y'all probably gonna hear some noise, but black hollow stars in there. And I love to put like black because it offsets and it makes it pretty. And I'm going to put some put some matte stars in there, some matte banana stars. Just a couple of them to accentuate the color. Okay. Okay. I am going to use this green chunky. And this one here, I'm going to be putting some I'm going to put these crushed up shells in it. And it got like a little iridescent color to it, see it? But they some shells for the mix. Okay. And we gonna take a whirl with it. Take my fork and stir it. And see, I see y'all can see it right there, but you ain't gonna never be able to see it the way I see it. And what I'm gonna do is, because I'm missing my little, because every time I miss my little, I'm gonna put some dots in there. Cause white dots makes it look pretty. I can't understand. I don't, you know, like when you have that little bit of white dots in there, like it mixes, it comes out so pretty to me. It's just my preference. So just shake some white dots in there. That bag kind of bust. That's why I don't have to really open it. Shake, 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 shake. See, watch me, you're gonna see that white dots and then you're like, oh, okay, I see what you mean. Okay, I don't put too much. Okay, this mix call is going to be called Unique. 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 And just hold up. We're going to swatch Unique today. Alright, you guys. So, I went on ahead and mixed it. Y'all know I couldn't wait. So, I mixed the Unique. So, what we're going to do is I am going to swatch it. Get my, I got my one of them already. Okay, I'm trying to let it cure for a little while. Then we gonna I'm gonna put some clear coat on it so we can see how pretty it is. Okay, hold up, you guys. Okay, you guys, this is it. It's very pretty, unique, 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 and you can see. Let's see. You can see the so I look in the back too. All right, you guys, unique.